Hello and welcome to the first episode of AllPro Media. In this channel, I will be covering real estate photography and videography tutorials, behind the scenes footage, as well as tips and tricks to help grow your business. I will be starting from absolute beginner for those who want to start a real estate photography and videography business but don't yet have the basics. I am also going to cover how to find clients for your business. A little bit of background about me. I'm a licensed airframe and power plant aircraft mechanic. I'm a family man with 2 beautiful kids and a supportive wife, real estate investor, real estate agent, and all-around grinder. Although I have a great job working for a great company building aircraft engines, I have always dreamed of building a business and becoming my own boss. This channel is dedicated to documenting my journey to building up my business to the point where it can become my sole source of income and share all the knowledge I gain in the process. If you have any specific videos you'd like me to make, please drop them in the comments and I will do my best to make that happen. Please subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with all of my future videos. What's up, Steve? What's going on? Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, just let me know whenever you get a hold of her. Alright, thanks a lot, Steve. Alright, bye. Market's changing. Thank you, and let's get this money.